Hello, welcome to Chili's. We are going to be doing, we're just gonna smash some stuff. I believe we're gonna get some new guns, Nerf guns. On Christmas, it is December the 9th. So, we decided to grab all the stuff, the guns that we hated, and smash it. I got my Walking Dead one. That's not that one. It's perfectly fine. I just wanted more content. We'll take turns. If you don't obliterate it, that's one strike. First one in 3 strikes is out. And if there's more guns, the winner gets to destroy all the other ones.
Oh, Ben picks his
I pick Spider-Man, Fire Strike, and this. You get all those. I hate you, X-Shot. Okay.
Wait, no, you get him. You get this guy.
Alright, I'm gonna go with Spidey-Man first.
Okay.
And you have to use a different weapon every time. Let's do this. Two. Well, take 2 was good. I have to vote this a smash. What about you, Noah?
That's a smash. Look, it's split down.
Okay, we're gonna finish it off, and I'm gonna go grab safety goggles.
We got our weapons. That's an army knife. I just wanted to bring that in there. There's Big Mama softball bat, and there's Big Daddy baseball bat. What you doing in there?
Just grabbing my drill you couldn't find.
Okay, fine. Look.
Okay, guys, this is
split
just
like that, and then look. He made a.
Look at this. I just got a new set of drill bits like 3 weeks ago. I think I'm gonna go with this bad boy. Oh man, this is good.
That's one.
Hi Asher, we're smashing stuff.
I'll smash stuff too. I want to come outside too.
No.
You can't smash it, but you can watch.
I want to walk.
Good.
You help me?
Ready?
Guys?
I think that's good enough.
Big Mummy.
Softball bat.
Rip.
Alright, let's go slow-mo. gives Noah a shot. I think that's a smash, don't you? That's a smash. It's just a baby one though. I'll vote it a smash. That's fatality. All right.
Can hammer it down.
All right.
Me turn.
No, it's my turn.
Hey, you just crushed my thing.
Yeah, because you had already started.
So,
Alright, I'm gonna go with the huge weed whacker.
Max, I would stay away.
And I'm gonna go with the Walking Dead sniper.
When I was 6, I cut half my toe off. Ah!
Nothing happened.
Okay, that doesn't count because this is not gonna work.
Wait, pause.
Noah's going with the shovel.
What? The shovel?
I'm not gonna do like that. I'm gonna do
You're gonna paint it? Hey, that's enough, that's enough.
Oh,
Here.
wow. He broke that.
Since of how many swings it took him, I don't think that's a smash. It took you like 3 or 4. Hey, Sally, you want to grab one of those baseball bats?
I can.
Grab your choice of baseball bat. That's not a baseball bat.
baseball
I
bat.
can cut it.
No.
No, put that back.
Grab the baseball bat and smash that. Crush it.
Smash.
That
Oh.
was better than yours.
Yeah, it's because I use
Good
a
job.
freaking shovel.
Wow, this is gonna be so sad. This was like one of my favorite guns. Yeah, I don't know.
It's the military funeral.
Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna. Here, Ash, throw me a pitch.
Silas, look, his
Hey, Ash, throw me a pitch.
No.
Sally,
Okay.
throw me a pitch.
Okay. Oh, oh.
Why?
Take picture.
Ow.
Yeah, that's how it feels.
You get 3 swings.
See?
No, you got
That's
like
how it
15
feels.
swings.
Oh! Oh!
You just
That's
knocked the thing right off. Here,
Okay.
here. Actually, I need to see that for content. No, it actually looks like a rifle. Since there's no pullback.
I can do this. I can do this.
All right. Is that a smash or a pass?
That's a smash.
But hit the
Let's see, Bubba.
smack.
You,
Hit the wrong one.
Oh, I was wrong.
you hit that blue one.
Here, let me try.
Whoa, this is like invincible.
Let me try.
Not smashing, Sally.
Oh,
Whoa, it's not doing anything.
that's undistractable.
I can do this. Baby! Undestructible, huh? Guys, I can do this, baby. That one was
Ooh.
guys, I can do
You're under arrest.
you.
What is this?
Okay.
My turn.
Watch out!
Watch.
Silas, put that
Here.
down.
So Noah, that means that means that I win.
Wait.
Because I had no
Ooh, put that back.
smash, Noah. Smash! Wow.
Oh.
Okay, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough, that's enough.
Oh, wow.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Why don't you use that for something? Oh! Double hit.
This is some great content.
Oh, up middle. Watch this. Silas move.
Home run.
Oh no!
Yeah, there are people watching us.
I'll get smashed. I'll get smashed.
Okay, Noah, so that means that I win.
Guys,
That's my second to third battle win in a row. And you have a losing streak, Noah.
Whoa!
Noah, do you know what the loser gets to do?
What? Pick it up.
Yeah. And I get to time lapse you picking it up.